Okay, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I am looking at two setups right now in the next minute or so. Got a setup in oil and a setup in ES. Oil on the left, ES on the right. Two accounts for each. Let's see. What do I like here? Let's see. Oops. Well, for starters, I don't love that. Okay, let's fix that. There we go. All right, now I can see what I'm doing. Overnight range on ES. We're near the top. B period. We're opening the top of the volume bulge. That's interesting. So, I kind of like there. Okay, that's what I'm going for there. Now in ES, although actually, let's see, we're heading lower. I kind of like that as well. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let's see here. Yep, I like that possibility here. And okay, I like this for a breakup there. Okay. See what we get. Okay, yes, pushing lower. CL pushing lower. Finger on the flat button for CL and ES, frankly. Okay, ES pushing higher. Okay, ES has got some passive selling sitting here. Contested level. Can it push through? I think it's probably gonna, but no, it's being absorbed right now. Yeah, aggressive absorption. So they're going to potentially get off sides here. If that happens, then we could see a nice push higher. Let's see if we get it. Okay, they pushed through, and there's some follow through. All right, here we go. ES is about to be in play, and there it is. Okay. And CL also about to be in play. Okay, we'll leave those. All right, ES holding. We've got passive buyers down there. All right, there's the selling. And we are pushing higher. Those sellers are getting off sides. Oh, wait a minute. This needs to be out of the way. Duh. All right, and I'm out. Nope. Okay, that did not work. All right, let's watch oil. Although it may yet. Let's see. I would go here. Okay, take another stab at that. If it works out, oil is looking like it's going to come down to me any moment. Nope. Okay, we've got some passive buying here. It's got to push through. Yes, starting to push back towards me again. Okay. Got buyers sitting down here. Are they going to hold it though? Moment doesn't look like it. TL is kind of turning around and starting to head up. Okay. Sellers are sitting right there. They're still selling. They're still okay, and they got overrun. All right, here we go. ES, zero print. Nice. All right. This could be our B to A. Okay, zero print has filled in. And we are pushing, we are pushing, we are pushing, and here we go. Here it comes. UB, and oh, come on. There it goes. All right, much better. Okay, got that trade. Good, so that, made up for a chunk of that first loser. That's okay. Oh, hello, and we are pushing higher now here, so... Okay, UB resolves. Then I think we will head higher. See if I can grab the last little bite of this. Just need to push through those sellers. Let's see, okay, we have a price rejector. Okay, that's interesting. Kind of inclined to do that. Get up through the passive selling here. It does put me right in the thick of another round of passive selling, but with the UB there, the A period high right there, I think the chances of being able to plow through that are pretty good. But now we're heading lower. Okay, passive buyers are sitting here, and they plow right through them. I'll leave that there, actually. Okay. Buyers are holding us up here, but I think we're about to push lower. Resolve that UB. Push through that min delta. Push past the passive buyers from A period, who I'm guessing are probably not there anymore. And I think we'll push lower. Okay. trying to rotate up again. Passive sellers are getting overrun. But nope, they're holding it. They're trying to hold it anyway. Really could go either way at this point. We're right back at the open of B period. Trying to rotate to the upside. Deltas are the right way around. We are just below max delta, so the delta range has been a nice tradable range. It's where all the volume is. We've got less excess at the low. So it still looks to me like the low is going to want to go first, but market can do what the market wants to do. So, who knows? We got 20 minutes left. Maybe we just stay inside A period. That's unlikely. The statistics don't support that, but it could happen. Come on, all right. Now we're rotating up. We're trying to, holding just below max delta, and the sellers are keeping it down. Can they absorb everything, though, is the question. So far, so good. We are rotating down again and back up again. So this is quite the battle going on here. Price action's fairly calm, though. Haven't been seeing any sweeps or anything. It's just ebbing and flowing. Building up a little volume bump here. We've got some interest down near the low based on the volume profile, so I think there's a reasonable likelihood that we go lower. It's going to have to push through the buyers at min delta, though, so it's looking good. The sellers are keeping it down. Buyers are taking another stab at it, though. Passive buyers down at min delta are stepping up. I mean, they're not actually, because they're passives, but, they're holding us there. So we've rejected to the upside again. But now the passive sellers step in. So again, we're playing the delta range, but can the sellers hold it down from here is the question. It's looking like the sellers are going to get overrun. I'm going to go ahead and throw my order on there. There, actually. There we go. Okay. And see if the sellers hold it or not. So far they are. Can the buyers step on the gas here is the question. Possibly. They're trying. They're trying. But the sellers, again, step up and whack it back down to max delta. No, the buyers are not giving up, though. They're not letting the sellers just take it down. Okay. Buyers are trying to absorb more of the selling, and they seem to be succeeding. But can they keep it? No, they cannot. They gave up. But now what? Do the sellers step on the gas or not? Oh, hello. Okay, the buyers are really fighting hard to hang on here. Sellers don't appear to have it in them to hold it up. I think we're going higher, getting some energy here. We're pushing up. Okay, here it comes. My entry. And I'm long, and it's looking like they want to push higher. There's still some interest up there. 40 contracts at the top of B period. I don't think we're done yet. That's a definite maybe, but aggressive buyers are holding it up. And can they keep pushing? So far, so good. Sellers are selling. The buyers are absorbing it, but no, now the buyers are kind of getting run over a bit. And here's the real moment of truth. Okay, buyers stepped back in. Okay, we've got some good passive buyers here at this level, right here, but the selling is slightly overhead. Can they push through it? Getting quite a bit more energetic now. 13 minutes to go in B period. Certainly plenty of time to break that top. Let's just see what we get. Okay, more energy to the upside. Okay, we've got some sellers sitting right there. They're not stepping on the gas, though. So I think the buyers ultimately are going to win out here. But, well, maybe not. Hang on. Okay. This is kind of my line. Right around max delta. That's got to hold. As long as that's holding, I feel okay about this. More passive buyers sitting right here. And they are holding it up. Okay. All right, good. And a little bit of aggression coming in. Let's see if we can push to the upside. I think we can. Chewing through the selling. Here it comes. All right, another little poke to the upside, a little exploration. A little bit of selling, swatted it back down again. Max delta has moved. That's worthy of note. So the buyers are gaining ground. But right now, the selling at max delta is winning, but just barely. Just barely. All right, I think we're going to push higher here. It's looking like they're trying. Here it goes. All right, we got UB. Excellent. I think we're about to get our trade. All right, another UB. Good stuff. Let's keep it going. Let's break the high. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Here it goes. All right, excellent. So that worked out. There we go. There's my trades. Managing 2 accounts, 2 instruments, 2 different setups. That's hard. That is really hard.